The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. A listed gaming company, Supreme Ventures, citing current economic challenges as well as increased lottery gaming taxes, is cutting spending on non-growth areas this year, sponsorships and donations being the main casualties. The company announced today the immediate closure of the Acropolis Gaming Lounge in Montego Bay and warned of significant reductions in sponsorships and donations this year. New conditions of SVL's license even require the gaming company to pay over unclaimed prizes to the regulator, the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, the BJLC. Now, previously, such funds were pooled to support corporate sponsorships and donations. Last year, Supreme Ventures paid out over $1.3 billion in lottery and gaming taxes and over $360 million in regulators' fee to the BJLC. News on the market now. An 18.5% plunge in Sagicor Group's share price mainly triggered losses in the Jamaican stock market indices today. The main JC index fell by 471 points, or 0.3%. 22 stocks traded, with 9 advancing, 4 declining and 9 holding firm. The winners included Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream up 12.3%, General Accident Hardware and Lumber, the day's big winner, up 31.1%, JMMB, Lasco Manufacturing, Sagicor Investments and Scotia Group. The losers included Carreras, Grace Kennedy, NCB and Sagicor Group Jamaica. On the foreign exchange market, both the American dollar and the British pound weakened against the Jamaican dollar, whilst the Canadian dollar strengthened. The greenback slipped 4 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $106.34, whilst the British pound declined by 47 Jamaican cents to close at $175.45. However, the Canadian dollar advanced by 50 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $100.23. The licensed financial companies bought a total of $36 million and sold $31 million. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, the 3 jewel resorts which are projected profit drivers in Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund are doing fairly well at this time. Data obtained by the OJR indicates that Jewel Runaway Bay is currently enjoying occupancy of over 70%, with projections for February at 80%. The occupancy at Jewel's Duns River is over 65%, projected to grow to 80% by February, and at a much higher priced room rate than last year. Jewel's Paradise Cove, which was recently opened, is also enjoying occupancy of close to 60%, even at a time when 20% of the rooms are not yet fully furnished. An informed source says this should be completed by the end of January. It's early days yet, but investors in Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund could not be faulted for being cautiously optimistic. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.